Hey, this is Brian with the Wholesale Hot List. In 1 second, I'm going to give you the grand tour walkthrough of this amazing investment property. But before I do, you're going to want to take 1 minute, open up a new browser window, and visit thewholesalehotlist.com. At thewholesalehotlist.com, you'll be able to sign up free to get priority access to homes just like this one. Many of them are available with built-in seller financing. If you're an investor looking for killer deals stuffed with equity that you can add to your portfolio without dropping a 30% down payment, then these are the types of properties you want to know about first. Again, push pause on the video now, visit thewholesalehotlist.com and get on the list. Don't worry, the video will still be here when you come back, I promise. Visit thewholesalehotlist.com, sign up for the free list of hot cash flow properties, and I'll see you back here for the tour in 2 minutes.
Alright, so here we are at 22340 Samuel Street in Taylor, Michigan, a very nice suburb of Detroit. We're going to go ahead and show you this house now. It's an outstanding home, 3-bedroom brick ranch. And we're going to take you inside and show you all around so that you can get a good look and feel of what the property is all about. Before we do, let's go ahead and take a look at the neighborhood. You can see here, it might be a little windy sounding on the audio because it's a nice crisp fall day here in Metro Detroit. You got a really nice neighborhood here, well-kept homes that are all similar, pretty much 3-bedroom brick ranch homes up and down the street. Nice tree-lined area. Really bright today. That's what we got there for the general area. Let's take a look around the outside of the house. You can see, like we said, that it has a nice, crisp, clean exterior. Big picture window in the front that lets in lots of light. And here is the back of the house. You can see nice windows, nice rear entry door, and a newer roof. So that's pretty much for it for the outside. Let's go ahead and hop up here on the front porch and take a look on the inside in the next video. Alright, so here we are. We're going to take the grand tour walkthrough right here. Stepping into the main living area, you can see this is the living room. And we've made it real nice in here. Nice and clean. That's really the big focus that everybody that's going to be looking at your house is going to have. Is the house clean and nice, and does it feel like a place that a family would want to stay? So here is where probably the eating area would be. This is typically where it's placed in most ranch-style houses, as this one is. And then this is the main living area. So that's where the entertainment center would typically be. Maybe the computer would be over there in that nook right there. Proceeding through the house, here is the kitchen. So you can see we could have a breakfast nook right here where kids can do their homework, or they can eat cereal in the morning if they don't want to eat in the actual dining area. And here's a new kitchen that we put in right here. You got the fridge, you got the dishwasher, which is pretty much essential. Everybody's going to want those. There's many appliances that you can possibly afford to put in the house. That makes it easier for your people that are going to be renting it out to say, hey, yeah, I do want to move in there. All right, proceeding down the hallway here, we can see here's the bedroom areas. This one's pretty large. This is actually larger than most ranch-style home bedrooms, which is attractive. And then here, look at this very large, we got this nice, large master bedroom closet. Nice little upgrade. And then this is different. Very, very few ranch-style homes have a half bath like this, at least in our area. So if you have a half bath attached to the main master bedroom in these types of homes, it's like a big upgrade, because usually there's only one bath, or if there is a second bath or half bath, it's in the basement, which is not as as useful for whoever's going to be staying there. Here we have the bathroom. This bathroom's been redone. Look how nice it is. And you can see these aren't junker houses. These are nice houses, nice neighborhoods, new tub surrounds, new faucets and everything, new sinks and vanities and medicine cabinets and new doors. Here's one of the bedrooms for the kids. And then as we walk through here, you can see there's your next bedroom. So the whole place is clean. That's the key word that you're going to want. When you're renting one of these places out, you want to get max rent. like this one, like we said, probably about $947 a month, then you definitely want to make sure the house is clean. All right, we even take that down into the basement area. So this is a basement. I mean, a basement's a basement. You use it for storage or you finish it out and use it for living area. But it used to be gray, just like most basements are. But we made sure that we painted it white. So it has that extra clean look to it. So when somebody comes in here, they have a feeling, man, this is a nice, clean, dry basement. Clean and dry are the two words that you want to focus on when it comes to basements, and that's the impression you want your people to have. Here you can see there's a new furnace installed. So new furnace. And there's your wash tub, and there's some extra storage space over there. So that's our really quick walkthrough tour of the home. We'll go ahead and head on back. And what I'll do is I'll show you the numbers on this house. We're going to talk about the real world figures and show exactly why this particular home offers an exceptional value if you are an investor. See you.
All right, now that you've had a chance to see what a smoking hot investment deal looks like, let's talk real world numbers and put this in perspective for you. This home in its current condition would have appraised somewhere between $140,000 and $160,000 just 2 years ago. But because of the current market conditions, nice homes like this in the area are listed between, I don't know, about $119,000 and $140,000. Not that that matters. What really matters is what people are willing to pay right now in order to buy them. And that figure is averaging about $112,000. But just for the sake of conversation and to be conservative, let's knock that figure down by about 10% and use $100,000 as our appraised value. If you bought this home from us and invested about the same remodeling and rehab, you would have been all in for $63,000. That means you would have owned this home completely fixed up for 63% loan to value, or 63 cents on the dollar. You'd have $37,000 in equity. And that's based on today's market figures, not the joke numbers of a few years back. But it gets even better. See, the payment for you on $63,000 would come in at about $630 a month. But the average market rents for this type of home are $947 a month. That leaves you $317 a month in positive cash flow. It's like having your own little money machine that hands you $317 each and every month. And that doesn't even factor in the fringe benefits like your loan being paid down by your tenant, or the tax benefits that come to you from depreciation, or the future appreciation of the property. We find that deals like this all the time for investors just like you once they sign up for our free Elite Investor list. So once again, if you haven't already, make sure you sign up for our free list of scorching hot investment property deals at thewholesalehotlist.com. Do it now, and when you too have built a $1 million investment portfolio that gives you financial freedom, you'll be glad that you took my advice.